Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can check how many people connected in your Wi-Fi. Okay, how many people use your Wi-Fi router. So how can you check them in Netis router? Okay, so we know that if you check the people those who are using your router, then we need to go the Netis router server. Okay, so how can you go there? So you can go there netis.cc, or I have a server number 1192.168, sorry, 8 and 1 into 1. Okay, then go to here you can see then Netis router wants from you have to verify your sign in option. So simply uh, input your username and password. Okay, I have done, and you can see the interface of Netis router. Okay, quick setup. So we have to go the advanced setup. Okay, so I zoom in and click on advanced, and here you can see and go to wireless. Okay, you can see here the left side in the interface, click wireless, and here you can see the last one. Okay, wireless client list, you can see here wireless client list, click on it, and here you can see the user, how many people use your router currently. Then you can see here and two user connected in my router. Okay, so you can check your own um, device. So please friend, make sure subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.